Welcome back, guys. We have a new project to start today.
Painting, guys. You ready for this?
I'm confident enough to move forward. Let's put it that way.
All the wood's gonna be white. We're gonna stain all the trim, and all the drywall is gonna be a new color.
Primer's done.
Yep.
We're waiting for it to dry, and then we can go back with the final white coat that's gonna go on the planks and the actual color that'll go on the walls.
And once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and roll the walls with the different color of that.
Yes,
correct?
and get everything stained.
Yes.
But in the meantime, we're just enjoying the stove and the peace and quiet because the baby's sleeping.
Yeah. It's actually nice too with the stove, because we've been heating this house with a pretty much an electric, well not electric, but a propane heater, and it's loud, it's noisy, it's
The blower
smells a little
on
bit,
it.
yeah. So this is nice.
Yeah.
Good change.
It's really nice. It's very like cozy and just peaceful, and the whole ambiance of everything. So
Yeah.
I'm enjoying it for sure.
I knew you would.
Round two.
White is done. So we're painting this. It looks tan. This is actually the second batch of paint we bought, because we tested the other one and it was too blue.
Is it brown?
I can't
Is it
tell.
gray?
It looks brown.
Is it tan?
It looks like a tan. It looks a gray tan.
I asked all my friends, and my friend said this was the color to go with. So,
I liked it on the swab.
I blame you guys if you mess this up.
I've called the choir, and I've called the priest, and I've called upon the highest of my dreams, and I go to sleep, I let them in, I'm holding on to you, oh
So it's the next day. We had a late one last night. We got the paint done, the stains done.
It looks great. The kids are thrilled. It feels just so warm and cozy and like us in here.
Yeah, we like it. So if you look, I guess up in the corners right there, we didn't cut in real tight. We're not going to. It's going to get covered up with crown moldings. There's no point of getting deep in there. It's going to get covered up.
Yeah, so basically everywhere that you look that it looks unfinished, that is on purpose. So like Josh said, everywhere that's along the top or where the drywall meets the planks, we have trim that's going to go there. There's the beam that has not been done yet that goes back where the dormer is. So all of those
finishing touches,
things.
we still got that to do to make it all become finished and looking done.
Yes, but this is just the first step towards that.
It is. So everywhere's painted. It's awesome.
I know. It's a
The
thing.
kids are excited.
They're very excited. I think they're really starting to see like stuff's
The light in the tunnel?
Yes,
Yes.
really.
Yeah.
Because stuff's happening fast now and it's big things that really make it feel like
A home.
our home. Yeah. So it's pretty exciting.
So what do you say we finish the floors?
Let's do it.
That's it. We're painted. Everything's done. We finished the hardwood floors in the house.
Yes.
That's done too.
Yeah, we're knocking stuff out. This feels good.
That's great.
Yeah, we're so close. So next time I'm super excited because we're doing the cabinets, kitchen cabinets.
Yep. Do they know the color or no?
No. You'll find out though.
Yes.
You'll hate it. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, guys. See you.